Measuring curb radius is a vital measurement to get right when designing any roadway. The radius of a curb will have a direct impact on many important functions of an intersection, including the size of vehicle that can safely navigate the curve, the crosswalk length, and the speed at which a vehicle can navigate the corner. This video will describe a field procedure for measuring the curb radius. There are multiple methods for measuring the radius of a curb. This video will focus on the chord-offset method. Required equipment for this method includes 2 tape measures, chalk, a pen and paper, and proper safety equipment. The first step in measuring the curb radius is to measure the chord length. This is the length from the beginning of the curve to the end of the curve. It may be helpful to mark the location of the beginning and end of the curve with chalk so that you can find them later. Measure this distance and record it as L in your notes. The next step is to calculate the midpoint of the chord, or L/2. Determine this value and find it on the first tape measure, and again mark this location with chalk. Now, using the second tape measure, measure the distance from the midpoint of the chord on the first tape measure to the perpendicular point on the edge of the curb. This value is known as the middle offset and should be noted as M in your notes. Once these measurements have been recorded, you are ready to calculate the radius of the curb. Take the measurements you recorded for L and M and plug them into this equation. The resulting value is the curb radius. As always, wear proper safety equipment and be aware of your surroundings.